The moon has always been there. We glance at it without thinking, as if it were close. And yet between us and her lies an enormous void. A void that gives no discounts. This is Mission 2, From Earth to the Moon. "384,000 kilometers. Said like that, it doesn't sound like much until you actually try to cross them. No road, no air, no brakes. In space, three things matter: speed, trajectory, and time. In reality, a trip to the moon takes days, not minutes. Not because it's impossible, but because you have to arrive at the right speed, in the right place, at the right moment. The Parallax is our mission vessel. A science fiction spacecraft, yes. But here we use it by one simple rule. Whatever it does, it must feel like a system, not magic. Today we'll use its supercruise mode, Slipstream. It's the mode we'll rely on for long distances, and later it will be the only way to even contemplate greater journeys. We are already beyond Earth's orbit. Below us, the planet turns, slow and luminous. You don't take off from here like from an airport. You set a course. To reach the moon, it's not enough to point at it and go straight. Get the speed or the angle wrong, and you can miss it without even noticing. The Parallax stabilizes attitude, aligns the systems, locks onto course.
Slipstream active.
It isn't an explosion. It's a thrust that builds in a controlled way, like a breath growing deeper. The stars begin to stretch. Not because space is moving, but because we are changing scale. And Earth slowly starts to shrink. The continents become shapes, the clouds, brushstrokes, the lights vanish. It's a moment that unsettles you if you think about it, because you understand something simple. Earth is not the world. It's a place, and it's already behind us. Now we are in the space between Earth and Moon. Visually, it might look like nothing. Physically, it's everything. The void is not really empty. There's radiation, particles, microscopic debris that, at these speeds, become dangerous. And then there's the most important thing: gravity. Earth's gravity still holds us back. The moon's slowly begins to make itself felt. Even in supercruise mode, you are not free. Push too hard and you overshoot. Slow too early and you waste time and course. The Parallax makes tiny corrections, almost invisible, but decisive. Because in space, a little is enough to deviate a lot. And deviating a lot out here means missing an entire world. The moon by now is no longer a point. The Parallax drops out of Slipstream supercruise. And all at once everything changes. Space stops being distance and becomes a place. The moon grows in front of us, not like an object drawing near, but like a face taking shape in the dark. And behind us, Earth is still there, a sphere of blue and white, everything we have ever known. From far away, the moon looks almost smooth. But the closer you get, the more it changes. Craters everywhere, dark plains, ridges. The line between light and shadow, the terminator in astronomy, cuts across the surface and carves deep shadows. This is where the moon becomes real. Not the moon of photographs, not the one of summer nights. A world of rock scarred by ancient impacts. Every crater is an event. Every scar is a story. The kind of story Earth usually erases. Here it has remained. And everything is still. No wind, no sea, no sound, only light and stone. Now we have to do something essential. Stay. Arriving isn't enough. Pass too fast and the moon lets you go. Slow too much and you fall. You need balance. The parallax tunes its velocity, and the moon, at last, takes us in. We enter lunar orbit. Below us, the surface drifts past, slow, craters upon craters, long shadows, deep hollows. It's close, and yet it's another world. Now, we descend. The lunar landing is not a romantic gesture. It's control, it's physics, it's patience. Here, gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's. That doesn't mean easy. It means different. The parallax reduces speed, stabilizes, compensates. Lunar dust is extremely fine. When it lifts, it doesn't behave like dust on Earth. It rises and falls slowly, in long, drawn-out arcs. The last meters are always the longest. Contact. We are on the moon. No wind, no sound, only the parallax, and a landscape that has been waiting for billions of years. From here, Earth is no longer our sky. It's a point of light, Small, fragile, incredible. That was mission 2. In the next mission, we leave the Moon behind and head toward Venus. A world wrapped in cloud, where the surface is hidden and the rules change. We'll approach, we'll enter orbit, and then we'll descend into its atmosphere, down to where the light turns yellow and the horizon disappears. From the Parallax, that's all for today. See you on the next mission.